Hi everyone, this is a quick video about the magnetic case for Onyx Boox Tab Ultra. It should have a sleep-wake functionality, so when you close the lid, it should put the device to sleep, and when you open it, it should wake up the device. However, as you see here, it's not working. So, and I have to manually put it to sleep, and it will not wake up. If you have the similar problem, so here is how to solve it. So first you unlock your device and go to settings, and there is a display, and here auto sleep after closing the cover. When you turn it on, it will go to sleep, and when you open it, it will wake up. Okay, because I set the fingerprint sensor, so it will not open it for me, but yeah, here's how it works. There's an additional setting in display and auto sleep. Okay,